Only one son.
都在这8岁，他出去外面
The
玩。
son was about 80 years old.
太阳太辣死我
The
都在。
sun was so scorching, so the 80-year-old son died.
很久以前就那晚上干活了，白天休息，太阳大
Long time ago, the suns were so scorching, so people do not work in the daytime. People work in the evening.
好呢，个学生是，
So the
太阳
master,
大，个学生的呀个都在死啊，
So the sun
学生的那个军他过噻，那军他给睡死个太阳。
so the
小孩啊。
their father was very angry. The father used the arrow and the bows to shoot down the sun.
就是，
Because
3个太阳
too
3个
hot.
月亮都睡下来了，下来了重新有2个学生抬去，一个月亮，一个太阳现在才有1个月亮。
So after the discussion of the two Asian people, and then they decide to make, okay, we decide there's only one sun, only one moon, and then people can survive.
这个
In
就是
ancient time,
天，
they were
这
made-
个就是天。
最早的时候有9个太阳，9个月亮，还是有10个太阳。
12个月亮，12个天。
At the beginning, there were 12 suns or 12 moons. Finally, there's only
我
one
们家
sun and
讲
one
的是
moon
你要讲的是
because it was too hot.
So who shoots the sun?
It's the sun's father.
The sun's
No,
father?
no, no. The sun died because too hot.
就能还
The temperature was too hot,
Yeah.
so the son died because of the temperature. And then the father was very angry, so the father shoot down 11 suns, 11 moons. So only one sun, only one moon and one moon and one sun survived. Yeah.
哦。
But this is also this
出来了。
the discussion between the two headmen, the father and another people, another VIP.
就讲出来，一个人天上是咋的？别的。
这个？
这个是天上。
这个天上是啥意思？这个？这是 the heaven.
月亮啊。
The moon.
这个是我天亮的王当这些。
This is the king.
当这些的。
This is the king of the suns and the moons. This is the king.
这个的以前的军台了，军台个帮太阳就是这个。
啊？
军台。
就是太阳。
帮太阳。
这个太阳，它拿了火，它就打这个太阳了。
晒太阳下来。
这个是弓箭。
弓箭。
This is the bow, the arrows to shoot the king.
这个就是王
太阳那个王。
太阳最辣。
This is the most scorching sun. The most scorching is the hottest
hottest,
sun.
the hottest?
Hottest, the king
The
of the
king of the
sun.
sun.
And this is the arrow and the bows.
And that's the bow and arrow that the father
Yeah,
shoot?
yeah, it's the father's shoot.
Okay.
But this is a little different from Chinese. I'll tell you Chinese later. Yeah.
很久以前的棉花做的。
This is the cotton from
你看，
a long time ago.
两边都是棉花做的。
And then the rest of these are the suns? What are these?
就是全部这个意思是哪意思？这个
全部意思都，这边的意思就是太阳。
the whole meaning is like
这个就
shape
是叫
of the
这过
sun.
去就是太阳，它和太阳，现在太阳，这个是太
Many
阳。
many suns.
都是太阳，全
All
部是
sun.
太阳。
One, two, three. All many.
这个
它太辣，都是这个这都是
Too
讲
hot.
推
They use the
打，
arrow and the bow to shoot the king of the sun.
打的
这个红的都代表他的那个斗争死去的那个不是。
The red color means this means the sun. The sun, the who died. This is the sun.
是这个斗争才
A solar sun. Only one sun. The red color means the sun. The sun is dead because of too scorching.
好，完了，
好，
看他们要不要？
好。